Hello everyone, this is Shirley. Today I'll be here to give you some training about our 3D skin analyzer. Firstly, to enter your account and the password to log in. And I will to introduce about this interface. At the top, we can add our own logo. And for here, we can enter the customer's name and phone number to check the customer's profile. And for here are three options. The first one is customer profile. For the customer profile, all the customers' profile that have been taken are here. Let's take a look. Enter this interface. At the top, we can enter the customer's name and the phone number to check the single customer's profile. And we can take a look. Click into the single customer profile. Here are four options. The first one is skin, and the second one is morphology. The third one is comparison records, and the fourth one is 2D image. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. All the skin images that have been taken are here. And the second one, morphology. All the image of facial morphology image are here. The third is comparison records, which contains some customers before and after treatments comparison that we saved before, all of which are 2D images. The fourth is 2D images. This is our new added function. We are also the first in China that we can import 2D images from previous institution into our software. Okay, so now let's get back to the original interface. Let's take a look at the second option, add customer. It's suitable for add the new customer. We can add our customer name, gender, birthday, and some other options. After filling the customer information, we can click confirm directly, and then we can save the customer's profile. And we also click the start shooting, then we can start shooting directly. After clicking start shooting, here are two options, skin shooting and morphology shooting. For here, I want to introduce some to you. Compared with the 2D equipments like Visa, this kind of skin analyzer, we also add the 3D processing technology. So we are not only meet the shooting needs of ordinary dermatology, but also meet the needs of plastic surgery. So you are not only to see your deep skin problems, but also you can see the overall staging of our face through 3D images. Okay, so now I will introduce you the skin shooting. Firstly, when you click the skin shooting, you will enter an interface like this. Here are a few things to note. Firstly, you have to close your eyes. Second, you need to use the hairband to comb all of your hair from in front of your head to the back. When you choose the hairband, you have better to choose a dark hairband. Avoid the white and bright hairband because which will reflect UV light very seriously. An interface like this will appear. I would like to introduce our shooting time is only 8 seconds. Compared with other skin analyzer, there need at least 40 seconds. It shows the advantage of our technology. We provide the solution for more than 95% of skin analyzer on the market. So we have an absolute advantage. After shooting, we could click the build mode button at the below. The entire mode building process around 2.5 minutes. During this time, clients maybe have a sense of waiting. To reduce this sense of waiting, we have two options. Option 1 here is a consulting form at the bottom of this interface. You can click here, and this is the consulting form. And we can invite our customer to fill in this consulting form. And we also can talk about their home skincare habits and the situations. And all these questions can be modified or customized as the organization own habits through the web page. Option 2, if we don't want to fill the consulting form on our device, then we can click the privacy mode here. Then we can get in a screen like this. All of our customers' privacy will be hidden. And then we can lead our customer to the rest to other rest area. When customer lead to the other rest area and our mode building is finished, we can check on our pad. For our device, we support to view in the results on multi-mobile device. After generating the mode image, we can click the view file to enter the skin analysis interface like this. And for here, I will introduce the logic of using skin analysis to better analyze our customer's skin situation. Firstly, look at the right side. We can click the small arrow at the right side. And here is a radar chart. From this radar chart, we can determine our treatment direction for today. And we can see the color first. For the red color means serious problems. We had to focus and have the treatment for today. The yellow color means a little bit serious. We can have the treatment maybe next time. For the blue and green, which means good, we don't need to do the treatment. And for here, this is the skin color. For here, we can see our skin color types. For this color, we use the International Skin Color Classification chart. After determining the treatment direction today, and let's take a look the horizontal function bar above of the triple compression. Let's click the triple compression. For the triple compression, we could choose 3 modes at the same time, just as your need. For example, we can choose this, and this one. From this 3 modes compression, and you will be more clear to understand the problems. Okay, after the triple compression, let's take a look the mirror compression. The mirror compression compared with the triple compression is the dynamic compression of the image. We can slide the slider. For this one, we can slide the slider to see the different problems at the same area on your face. Such as, for example, we can choose this one and this one. Then we can see the inflammation benefits of the sunburn. After the mirror comparison, we can do the predict of the customers' skin problems. If they don't care about the skin problems for now, what will happen in the future? And except the problem prediction, we also have the aging prediction. If they don't take seriously and do the treatment with the time passed by, it will show the state of aging over time. The predict function primarily uses the AI to predict. Except we use the AI for predict function, the main function that I want to show you is the AI analysis on the function bar. I like to emphasize this AI diagnosis. For now, AI, big data, and large models are very popular. Major companies and industry leaders are increasingly integrating AI. Our products also mainstream some big AI platform. Our company was also the first to propose the concept of integrating multiple large models, leveraging AI to better analyze and diagnose skin problems. After the AI finishes its analysis, it will propose the main treatment direction for today's problem. For example, today's analysis focused on sensitive issue. Click on the sensitive in the left-hand function bar. On the left is the analysis chart, and on the right is the analysis text. At the top of the right side is the sensitive score and the level. And next, we will discuss how customer to get the test report. There's a menu in the upper right corner. Customers can scan the code to get the report or download the reports to customers. After analyzing the problems, there are case studies displayed at the bottom of the left hand. Click on case study. These are case studies of some of our more successful treatments that we have kept, which we can show to our clients. After analyzing the client's problems and showing them case studies to boost their confidence in treatment, we will create the treatment plan. In the lower left column, there's a treatment plan option. Click Create the plan. Select the issue and click OK. The AI will then automatically match preset items, a brief plan description, and suggested products for home skincare. Well, we will explain how to set them up later. Once the final plan finalized and everything is in order, you can take the clients to work on the project. After the project is completely, take another set of images a week or 2 weeks to show the clients before and after comparison. Where do we take at this? There's a historical comparison at the top. And we can select the history record. Then to compare the history record with the different models image. Two small features in historical comparison. First one, if today the client's treatment had excellent results, and I would like to add it to my success story. There's an option to add a case in the bottom right corner. We click the Add Case and to select the image. And fill in the details according to your situation. Traditionally, clients need to take two photos, stitch them together, and add the watermarks before promotion, which is a rather cumbersome process. Our equipment, including a small feature that allows clients to export image with a single click. Then I will show you how to operate it. Firstly, click here to get back. And we can see a menu here. We can click the menu and to find the result compare. Okay, for here we can choose the model's image as your need. For example, we can choose this one and it can show you the left and the right for the comparison. And then we can choose the color and select and mark the area that you want to show your clients. We can choose the blue color and to select this part. And finally, we can click the save to save the picture. Okay, then where to find this picture? Okay, firstly, click the close to close this interface. And then we click here to get back to the customer file to find the effect comparison records. We can see here the comparison record. We just click the comparison record option. And all the image are here. And we can export it in bunches or individually. In addition to historical comparison, there is also historical mirror comparison, which allow for dynamic comparison. So how to operate it? Firstly, to click the skin. And for here is historical mirror comparison. We can select the historical records. And here are different models that you can choose to compare. And this is the dynamic comparison.